Welcome to Curie Electronics. These video lectures are for electronics mechanic, that is ITA students who are learning the trades related to electronics. So today we are going to learn about binary to decimal conversion of fractions, decimal fractions. So as usual, let's learn through examples. The first question: convert 0.101 to the base to decimal. So 0.101 we have to convert it to decimal. Now we have to write it in terms of power. So here the digit next after the decimal will have the highest value, power value, that is highest value. Okay, the digit next to the decimal point, that near to the, you can remember it as near to the decimal point will have higher power. So it is the value of the position value of this is 8 to the power, not 8 to the power minus 1, it is 2 to the power minus, sorry, it is 2 to the 101. The number which is near to the point will have the highest value. So this position value is 2 to the power 1, and for 4 it is 2 to the power minus 2, and finally for the last one, let's say LSB, 2 to the power minus 3. Now how we have solved the previous class, it is similar way. Put the values and add it up. So 0.101 to the base 2 equals 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 2 to the power 1 we have to multiply by 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 3. Now 1 multiplied by, what is this 2 to the power minus 1? This 2 to the power minus 1 we can write it as 1 upon 2 to the power 1. Okay, if you write 1 and write beneath that under the numerator, denominator, if you write 2 to the power minus 2 to the power 1, see 1 upon 2 to the power 1 equal to 2 to the power minus 1 plus 0, you need not to do anything. Then what is 2 to the power minus 3? Similarly you can write it as 1 upon 2 to the power 3. 1 if you multiply with any number, you are going to get the same number. So 1 upon 2 to the power 1 equal to 2 plus 1 upon 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. So which equals 1 by 2, all of us know, that is half, 0.5 plus what about 1 upon 8? See, 1 upon 8, 1 divided by 8, what is value? So we will put a 0 here, we can put a point. So 1 time 1 8 is 8, so remainder 2, again we have to put a 0, 2 times, that is 16, remainder 4, again one more 0 we put, so 5 times. So which equal to, so 1 upon 8 equal to 0.125. Now if we add these two, we will get the answer. So let me write it here itself. 0.5 plus 0.125. So 5, 7, 6. Okay, don't make mistake here. It is 6. So the answer which is equal to 0.675. to the base 10. Let's take the next example, second one. We have 0.111 to the base 2 convert to x to the base 10. How do you do it? I'll write it here. So from MSB only I am writing. Now I hope you know how to write the power. So this is 0.111. This is from MSB we are starting. It is 2 to the power minus 1 position. Next is 2 to the power minus 2. Next is 2 to the power minus 3. Okay, now 0.111 to the base 2 equals 1 finally you can put the point. 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 3. See this value of 2 to the power minus 1 is higher than 2 to the power minus 3, just for understanding. Now 1 multiplied by 1 upon 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 2, that is 2 to the power 2. Here it is 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 upon 2 to the power 3, which equals 1, any number multiplied by 1 equal to 1. So we can write 1 upon 2 plus 2 to the power 2 equal to 4 plus 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. So what is half? Half equal to 0.5. Half of anything, that is 0.5 we can write. 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. What is 1 upon 8? 1 upon 8 also, the last problem we have seen, that is 0.125. So 0.111 to the base 2 equals, we have to sum it up. See here, when you sum, don't make mistake. 0.5 plus 0.25 plus what is there? 0.125. All we have to sum it. 5, 7, 8. So it is 0.875 is the answer, which is equal to 0.875 to the base 10. Finally, we will solve one more question. So let's solve the last question. Question number 3. 101.01011 to the base 2 we have to convert to decimal. So I am writing x to the power number x to the base 2. So we have to not 2, it is 10. Sorry, it is 10 because we are converting to decimal. So 101 we know already, we have learned how to convert to equals to 5 to the base 10. Now 0.01011 we have to convert it to decimal. So let us first write the powers. So it is 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2, 2 to the power minus 3, 2 to the power minus 4, and finally this one 2 to the power minus 5. Now as usual we will write it. Here I will start, that is 0.01011 to the base 2 equals, only whichever is having only 0 terms we need to write. So 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 5. which equals 1 multiplied by I have made a small mistake. It is 2 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 2. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 multiplied by, what is 2 to the power 4? 16 plus 1 multiplied by 1 upon 32. 32. Now 1 by 4 we know it is equal to 0.25. 1 upon 16 we have to find. What is 1 upon 16? So 1 upon 16 equals, put a point, put a 0, now 10. We can't divide 10 by 16. Again one more 0, 100. 100, it comes 96. That is 6 times 96. Remainder 4. Again one more 0, 40. 2 times 32. Remainder 8. 84 times. So 1 upon 16 value we got. Now what about 1 upon 32? 32 also we have to find out. 1 upon 32. 0.0. Can't divide. Again 0, 0. So 100 3 times. It is 96. Remainder 4. Again we will put a 0 here. How many times? Only once. 32. We get remainder as 8. Correct. 80. So 80 upon 32. How many times? 2 times only it's possible. So it is 64. So remainder 16. One more 0. 160 upon 32. Definitely it is half of 320. So it is 5 times. Now let's put the values. 0 plus, what is 1 upon 16? 0.06. It is 5, okay, it is 25. 25 plus 0.03125. Now we have to sum this. So let me write it down here to show you how you have to, while summing you have to be careful. 25, 0.0625, 0.03125. If you add these three, 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14, remainder 1 3. So here remainder 1 will be there 3. So we'll get 0.34375. So we get 34375 to the base 2 to the base 10. So once you, now we can put the value back, that is 101.01011 to the base 2 equals 5.34375 to the base 10. So we have done the conversion. I hope you understood how to solve it. So if you like the video, please share with your friends and don't forget to hit the like button. And these are especially for electronic students who are doing ITI. So thanks for watching.